Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log meeting in Zoom meeting application. Alright guys, here I have opened my Zoom meeting application in my phone, and here I have created a virtual meeting. So I'm the host of this virtual meeting, and for example, I'm going to log this virtual meeting so the late participants cannot join this meeting. Alright guys, first of all, we can go to the meeting security. We can click on this more option and click on security. And if you want to lock your meeting, you just need to click on this lock meeting option. Okay, and now the meeting has been locked. So the late participants cannot join this meeting anymore. Alright guys, and that's how we can lock meeting in Zoom meeting application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.